Electric Spin Scrubber, Cordless Cleaning Brush, a game changer for home cleaning. If you're tired of spending hours scrubbing stubborn stains, grime, and dirt from your bathroom tiles, kitchen sinks, or even your car, the Electric Spin Scrubber, Cordless Cleaning Brush is here to revolutionize your cleaning routine. This innovative cleaning tool is designed to make your life easier, saving you time and effort while delivering professional-level cleaning results. After using this product extensively, I can confidently say it's a must-have for every household. Here's why: ease of use and convenience. One of the standout features of this Electric Spin Scrubber is its cordless design. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it offers unparalleled convenience and portability. You're no longer tethered to a power outlet, which means you can easily move from room to room or even take it outdoors to clean your patio furniture or car. The lightweight design ensures that it's easy to handle, even for extended cleaning sessions. The scrubber comes with an ergonomic handle that fits comfortably in your hand, reducing strain on your wrists and arms. Whether you're tackling tough soap scum in the shower or scrubbing grease off your stovetop, this tool makes the job effortless. Powerful cleaning performance. Don't let its compact size fool you. This spin scrubber packs a punch. The high-speed rotating brush heads are designed to tackle even the most stubborn dirt and grime. With multiple speed settings, you can adjust the intensity based on the surface you're cleaning. For delicate surfaces like glass or ceramic, a lower speed works perfectly, while higher speeds are ideal for tougher jobs like grout lines or heavily soiled areas. The scrubber comes with interchangeable brush heads, each designed for specific cleaning tasks. The stiff bristle brush is perfect for scrubbing tile grout, while the softer sponge brush is ideal for cleaning glass or polished surfaces. This versatility makes it a one-stop solution for all your cleaning needs. Time-saving and efficient. Gone are the days of spending hours on your hands and knees, scrubbing away at stubborn stains. The Electric Spin Scrubber cuts your cleaning time in half, allowing you to achieve sparkling results in minutes. Its rotating action ensures that every nook and cranny is thoroughly cleaned, leaving no room for dirt or grime to hide. Whether you're cleaning your bathtub, sink, or even outdoor furniture, this scrubber gets the job done quickly and efficiently. Durable and long-lasting. Built with high-quality materials, this spin scrubber is designed to withstand regular use. The rechargeable battery has an impressive lifespan, allowing you to clean for extended periods without needing frequent recharges. The brush heads are also durable and easy to replace, ensuring that your scrubber remains in top condition for years to come. Versatility for every cleaning task. What sets this Electric Spin Scrubber apart is its versatility. It's not just for bathrooms. It's a multi-purpose cleaning tool that can be used in virtually every corner of your home. Here are just a few ways you can use it. Bathroom cleaning. Tackle soap scum, mold, and mildew on tiles, grout, and shower doors. Kitchen cleaning. Remove grease and food stains from countertops, sinks, and stovetops. Outdoor cleaning. Clean patio furniture, grills, and even your car's exterior. Floor cleaning. Use it to scrub hard-to-reach areas like corners and edges. Eco-friendly and cost-effective. By investing in this Electric Spin Scrubber, you're not only saving time and effort, but also reducing your reliance on disposable cleaning products. Its reusable brush heads and long-lasting battery make it an eco-friendly choice. Plus, it's a cost-effective solution in the long run, as you won't need to constantly replace cleaning tools or buy expensive cleaning chemicals. Customer support and warranty. The product comes with excellent customer support and a warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. If you ever encounter any issues or have questions about the product, the support team is quick to assist. Final verdict. The Electric Spin Scrubber, Cordless Cleaning Brush is a game changer for anyone who values a clean and tidy home. Its powerful performance, ease of use, and versatility make it an indispensable tool for tackling even the toughest cleaning tasks. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent, or someone who simply hates spending hours scrubbing, this scrubber is worth every penny. If you're looking to upgrade your cleaning routine and achieve professional-level results with minimal effort, this is the product for you. Say goodbye to sore arms and wasted time, and hello to a cleaner, more efficient way of maintaining your home. Highly recommended.